It was August of 2023, maybe August 9, somewhere around that time. Well, I joined to get more guidance in my weight loss journey, done it on my own most of my life, listening to podcasts, and the Food Network revolution is what really got me really motivated and got on a path of plant food predominant eating. And then that was in 2021, actually. That's about when I started on my own journey. I've been dieting my entire life, actually, but lose it and gain it, lose it and gain it. So I probably lost 500 pounds over my lifetime and gained, the same 40 pounds. But it was the Food Revolution Summit where I had some very good information from all sorts of doctors and professionals, including Mastering Diabetes program, because Cyrus was involved with that summit. And I was interested really because well, for myself, but also for my niece who has alopecia. And I thought maybe I could learn something that would help her. And unfortunately, her type, it can't be helped. So, but I continued pursuing for me. And that was April of 21. August of 21, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, had that taken care of. Got me on a journey of studying a whole lot more about health and nutrition, and found out that what cancer likes are the foods that I shouldn't be eating. And on a whole food, plant-based diet, I just made those changes. But then when I got involved with Mastering Diabetes, I became more aware of low-fat, plant-based whole food and the benefit. And since my weight was weight and blood numbers were in the pre-diabetic range, I figured I need to pay attention and get their knowledge and apply it. And of course, the first thing I did was I bought their book, the Mastering Diabetes book, saw the red light, green light, yellow light chart. And that chart was really enough to get me started on my own. And I said, just follow the green light foods, and that's what I did. But still, I needed more help. So I joined this class, our group. So it's been about 10 months now. And during that 10 months, the weight has come off slowly, but it's been consistent. I'm down 35 pounds. I've had 2 sets of blood work during this 10 months. And the first time around, I wasn't real impressed. There was slight differences in A1c and glucose and my lipids. But this past blood test was done in June, early June. My A1c went down to 5.4. It started at 5.8 when I started this program. Glucose went down to 86 from 102 or 101. And my lipids have all been now in the normal range, really for the first time in my life. And triglycerides have always been a problem for me. They're at 130 now, the lowest they've ever been. And according to the scales, that's in normal range. But I know it's going to get even better as I, continue on this journey. I'm not exactly where I want to be yet, but I'm real close to it. But not that when I get to my goal, that doesn't mean it's over. It's just keep on going, and live this way and live the healthiest I can. And hopefully I can take other people on that journey with me. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. That was a discovery. I said, wait a minute. I haven't been at this weight in 41 years. I gained a whole lot of weight when I was pregnant, and I gained it very fast. So I'd say in my first month or two of pregnancy is the weight I'm at now, which is, can I say what I am at now? Right now, I'm at 156, and I'm 71. I just want to stay healthy and grow older, healthier, the best I can. I know that there are nothing's 100%, but we do the best we can to move forward and maintain a healthy life, So yeah, I'm excited about it. I really am. Well, I was sort of in shock. I said, well, I really didn't realize such a difference, and you don't see as much of a difference from August of 23 to that last picture in May that I took compared to the picture in 2021. But you do see the difference from when I started in this program to now. So, but overall, again, it's been a lifelong journey for me. And I just found the help I really needed through this program. And it just has kept me on track. I mean, I like food. I like all food, even the junk food, but I'm learning not to eat the junk food. If I'm going to have cake, it's going to be at somebody's birthday party, and I will celebrate their birthday and just keep it to a minimum and keep my refrigerator loaded with green food. I'm pretty confident I can do it. I will forever research things and read the literature and listen to podcasts to keep me motivated and informed. Sometimes I even think that maybe I should do a course in nutrition, maybe get certified if possible. But then I think, I don't know if I have the energy to go forward and do that, but it's an option. I'm exploring that to see if having credentials would make other people believe me more, you know what I mean? You try to tell people things and they don't want to change, even though they see the change in you. There's a lot of reasons why they don't, but I just figured if I had some kind of a degree behind me or a certification in nutrition, they would take me more seriously. So we'll see where that goes. I like them. I've always liked fruits and vegetables. I've always been prone towards them, even though, like I said, I like all food, and it did include meats, and sometimes they still tempt me, but I enjoy whole foods. I enjoy figuring out how to make them taste good. They're really my go-to. What would I say? Well, I would have to tell him how it helped me, and I was actually talking to somebody about it today who was very interested, but I got to tell him about what insulin resistance is and why it happens, and eating low fat, plant-based is the way to, reduce your insulin resistance to insulin sensitivity. And I told her a lot about the program today, and she was very interested. She's a good friend of mine for many years, but yeah, I would just tell them how it has helped me, what it's done for my blood work numbers, and that there's nothing to lose by trying something different if what you're doing isn't working. Hopefully somebody will listen.